In the beginning, Adam and Eve, blessed by the Lord, bore two sons, Cain, a tiller of the ground, and Abel, a keeper of sheep. Both offered sacrifices to God, but God favored Abel's offering over Cain's, which led Cain to fall into anger and jealousy. The Lord questioned Cain, warning him about sin lurking at his door and urging him to master it. Despite the warning, Cain's heart hardened, and he led Abel into the field, committing the first murder by striking down his brother. When confronted by God, he feigned ignorance, asking, "Am I my brother's keeper?" The Lord knew and pronounced a curse upon him, so that the ground would no longer yield its strength to him, making Cain a wanderer on the earth. Still, though the punishment was harsh, God placed a mark of protection on Cain, declaring vengeance sevenfold upon anyone who would harm him. Thus, Cain settled in the land of Nod, east of Eden, where his lineage began and humanity continued. Later, Adam and Eve had another son, Seth, through whom humanity would continue to invoke God's name, marking a hopeful new beginning. This story teaches that unchecked emotions like jealousy and wrath lead to sin, but even in judgment, God extends mercy and protection, reminding us to seek righteousness before sin takes over.